Okay, let's have a real talk for a second. How many of you at some point today, or maybe yesterday, or even this morning have said, I just don't have time? Yeah, I get it. We've all been there. You're sitting there with a million things to do, and it feels like there's not enough hours in the day. You have homework, work, chores, and maybe a little time to scroll through Instagram, just a little, and then you realize you haven't done anything productive all day. But here's the thing, I'm not calling you lazy. Heck no, that's not the vibe here. What I'm saying is, you're probably just not managing your time the right way, or maybe you just don't manage your time. And trust me, I've been there too. You're overloading yourself, feeling guilty, and still somehow ending up on TikTok watching brain-rip videos. I know, I see you. But here's the twist. You don't need more hours in the day. You just need better strategies. Before you click away because you're like, I don't have time for time management tips, what if I told you there's a simple trick? Just one thing you can do that could give you an extra hour of free time every single day. Mind-blowing, right? And no, I'm not talking about sacrificing your sanity or waking up at 4 a.m. unless you're into that. But let's be real, who is? All right, let's break this down, fam. Why does it always feel like you have no time? Like the day starts, you blink, and suddenly it's 11 p.m. and you're questioning every life choice you've ever made. Relatable? Yeah, same. But here's the thing. It's not that you don't have time. It's that you're spending it on things you don't even realize are draining your day. Let me paint you a picture. You wake up, check your phone, scroll through TikTok for just 5 minutes, and boom, 45 minutes gone. Suddenly, you're rushing to get ready, skipping breakfast, and running out the door like a contestant on The Amazing Race. Or how about this classic move? You sit down to do work, but instead you start organizing your desk, fixing your Spotify playlist, or Googling how to be productive, and 2 hours later, the work? Yeah, still not done. Been there, done that. But in reality, time isn't the problem. It's how we're spending it. But wait, don't hurt yourself, it's not your fault. Okay, well, it kinda is, but not entirely. We live in a world that's designed to distract us. Notifications popping up, emails chiming, that random thought that reminds you to check if penguins have knees. They do, by the way. It's a lot. So, how do you fight back? How do you actually make time instead of losing it? Picture this. You're staring at a big, intimidating task and your brain immediately says, ooh, this is too much work. So you tell yourself, all right, I'll just work for 5 minutes. That's it. 5 minutes sounds easy. Your brain doesn't fight it. So you start. You write a sentence, move a few things around, type a little more, and suddenly you're in the zone. 30 minutes later, you're still going. Why? Because getting started is the hardest part. Once you're in motion, your brain adapts. It stops resisting, and before you know it, you're actually doing the thing. This is called the 5-minute rule, and it works every time. The biggest mistake people make is thinking they need more time to get things done, but they don't. They just need to stop waiting for the perfect moment to start. Because let's be real, the perfect time never comes. You'll always feel a little tired, a little distracted, a little not in the mood. And if you let that stop you, you'll never start at all. But the moment you take that tiny first step, just 5 minutes, that's when everything shifts. So the next time you find yourself thinking, I don't have time, ask yourself, do you really not have time? Or are you just letting it slip through the cracks? Because if you want to be productive, you don't need a perfect plan. You don't need motivation, you just need to start. Even if it's for just 5 minutes. And once you do, you'll realize you had time all along. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's completely normal to feel like there's never enough time or to struggle with productivity. We're only human. We're not perfect, but what truly matters is that we try our best and take action to improve ourselves. Even I also still struggle with managing my time, like balancing school, work, writing scripts, editing the video, and drawing these clips. Honestly, I waste time too, scrolling through Reels or TikTok. But the important thing is that I'm working on it and I'm getting better. So I hope you'll join me on this journey as well. Share your experiences in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. One banana peel at a time.